ganda. Oh, diba? Ang ganda.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all
So,
about.
diba? Ang ganda. So, this is... Ito po ay Fujin University Hospital.
Isn't there
Naman
anyone who
sa
knows
baba na
what
po.
Christmas
Tapos
is
na
all
ng check-up
about?
ni Lolo. So, pauwi na kami. Madilim na din. Ayan. Ganda, diba? May Christmas tree pa doon sa labas. Ayun. Sa labas.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Si Lola wala pa. Alam niyo
Chestnut
po, ditong
roasting,
sa loob, sa labas, napakalamig. Kaya hindi mo kailangan
Jack
mag-agenda.
Frost nipping at your
Bawal
nose.
makita yung alaga. Ayun, laki oh.
So I'm offering
Kasi makita. Doon kami galing sa taas. Doon, second floor. Ano po ito, mataas hanggang 23, ilang 42 floor. 42
although
floor.
it's been said
Ganda, di ba?
many
Ay!
times, many ways. Merry Christmas to you.
Ayan, meron silang ganda, di ba? Dito po ay hospital.
Chestnut
Fujin
roasting,
University Hospital. Meron silang ganyan. May building.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering a simple phrase.
Sa ulo.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
At ayun ang napakagandang star.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Ito na kaya si Ama. At ganda yung halaman.
Isn't there anyone
Kumukulit
who knows what Christmas is
ang
all about?
napakagandang Christmas tree. O, diba?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut
Alam niyo po, hindi ko
roasting,
na talaga kaya alagaan yung alaga. Matigas ang ulo. Nakailang bagsak siya
Jack
kanina.
Frost nipping at your nose.
Daming tao. Hindi ko makita si Ama.
So I'm offering a simple phrase.
Ang ganda ng Belen. Ang Belen dito sa Fujin University
Although
Hospital.
it's been said
Meron silang
many
Belen.
times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Alam niyo po, hindi ko na talaga kaya alagaan yung alaga. Matigas ang ulo. Nakailang bagsak siya kanina. Daming tao. Hindi ko makita si Ama. Nasaan? Ang ganda
Chestnut
ng Belen.
roasting,
Ang Belen dito sa Fujin University
Jack
Hospital.
Frost nipping at
Meron
your
silang
nose.
Belen. Dami
So
nila.
I'm offering a simple phrase.
Meron pa dito.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
Fujin Hospital. Dito lang, wala. Ito po ay Fujin Hospital.